Hi y'all, this is Crystal from Crafty Sides Reads and More. This is on to making more stuff for the tier trays or just decorations, whatever you want to do. I found these cute little pumpkins at Mighty Dollar in Somerset. And it's got the fabric, and look how they're shaped. Isn't that really cute? Well, I took the fabric off and the stem, and look what you have. See how it's divided in the center and it's shaped like the pumpkin? Well, I have this cute, adorable ribbon, and I wanted to make some things to match it. See the cheetah print? Which I'm sure you can buy some, but if you're wanting to make your own, this was only $1. So this is what I've done. I got my cheetah fleece. I got this, y'all, at the Dollar Tree for $5. It's a fleece blanket, brand new. I'm making all kinds of things out of it. But it's really cute. Look at that. So what I did was, is I took this, I pulled off one of the strips of the fabric that was off the pumpkin, and I used that as a pattern and came up with these. So I cut out my pieces, and where this is stiffer fabric, it was going on easier, but where this was fleece, it was not wanting to stay in the creases so much. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue. I'm going to use Gorilla Hot Glue. I'm a hot glue gun. And you have to be careful because this styrofoam will melt it. So I'm going to just put just a little dab right on that corner piece right there. I really don't want to go down the inside yet because I have to push the other side in there too. And I'm going to take a nail file and I'm going to push it in there and let that glue hold it in place for me so it don't scoot around on me. Look how easy that was. And I'm going to do the other side the same way. And you can take these little shaped pumpkins, which I'm sure you could take at the little pumpkin from the Dollar Tree and shave it and cut it this way too. But hey y'all, this is already done this way. Here. But look y'all, you can put any fabric to match anything that you have. You could even, this would be even cute if you did like with the ribbon. You did the cheetah and the orange, or the cheetah and the teal. Or you could even use the ribbon. Even, see it's wide enough. You could even put that ribbon on there. And it would match perfectly to whatever you want to put off. You're going to add on a wreath there. But y'all get the gist of this idea. It's really, really cute. Got that cute. I'm really pleased with this, y'all. I call it my mojo. Jesus is my most help, y'all, now. I love the Lord. I love Jesus. Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. Crafting is something the Lord is sure giving me to help me too. And I like blessing others with it. So if y'all like what we're making, y'all can come on over to our website or our pages, and we do sell our items. But I like for y'all to be able to come up with these ideas too. The thing about it is I always have so many things, and I don't want to go overboard and go crazy, so I just get a few things, and when I get home I come up with an idea, and I'm thinking, oh, I wish I'd have got more of those. Did y'all ever do that? But I enjoy teaching too. I like coming up with ideas and sharing them. And I hope y'all like this, and I hope you can come up and make your own. And if you don't like the stem, see the stem? If you don't like that stem, you can always make your own. But now, there it is. Look how cute that is, y'all. Push that in a little bit more. Fiddle with it till I'm satisfied with it. Do y'all like that? But I do think this is adorable. If you want a different stem, you definitely can put a different one in. Or you can add to it. You can put some, before you glue that in, you can put some greenery, little curlicues. I may add to it later. But look, and there it is. And look, y'all. It matches my ribbon. I hope y'all like this and enjoy and make your own. Thank y'all for joining us. Bye-bye.